8 expensive restaurants that would put a hole in your pocket. Island Ducasse, London. Island Ducasse is situated in London, UK and celebrates French cuisine at its very best. It happens to be a 3 Michelin star restaurant and offers extremely exquisite food as part of its Black Truffle menu, a 7-course meal that would cost a person around US $343. The restaurant even has an à la carte menu that you can choose to opt for. The chef himself, Alain Ducasse, is well known for his incomparable French dishes. He is incredibly famous for creating innovative dining concepts that reflect various international influences. Sublimotion, Ibiza. Located in Ibiza, Spain, Sublimotion happens to be run by Michelin 2-star chef Paco Roncero. The restaurant was even awarded Best Innovation Food and Beverage back in 2014. Focusing mostly on haute cuisine, Sublimotion promises to definitely take you on an experiential trip that you have never experienced before. They also feature a tasting menu consisting of 20 food tasting entrees and even welcome 12 unique diners per show, 1 unique table. The diners are then attended by a team of 25 professionals, and the experience lasts for about 3 hours. A diner would have to shell out approximately $2,000 for dining in Sublimotion. Kicho, Tokyo. Established back in 1948, Kyoto Kicho Arashiyama is complemented by its absolutely stunning surroundings that contribute to a marvelous dining experience worth remembering. It offers an impressive 10-course menu that only comprises the finest possible ingredients available. Meticulous attention is also given to vessels, presentation and timing. A lunch starts at approximately $359, and a dinner costs around $449. Aragawa, Japan. Not particularly known for any of its decor, Aragawa is actually located in the basement of an office building in Tokyo, Japan. It is well known for serving some of the best grade meats from purebred to Jima cattle that have been raised for almost 28 months in the Sanda region of Hyogo Prefecture, a place where only those animals that meet specific criteria are selected for designation as the famous Sanda beef. An ultimate beef experience in this restaurant will cost you anywhere around $370. Maison Pic, France. Located in Drôme in France, Maison Pic is an absolutely legendary French restaurant run by Chef Anne-Sophie Pic, one of the very few female chefs in the world to run a Michelin 3-star kitchen. The 9-course menu that this restaurant offers features various dishes, including Mediterranean rouge in a saffron broth, deer that is marinated in Saclese squab, candied turnips, Banan goat cheese berlingots, along with chocolate desserts that will just melt in your mouth. The menu here would cost you anywhere around $445. Restaurant de l'Hôtel de Ville, Switzerland. Hôtel de Ville is located in Cressier in Switzerland, and features an impressive menu consisting of 11 courses that cost $415. They serve 3 Michelin star-worthy dishes like Sambe scallops that are cooked with orange taroko. Blending in luxury, magic and utter wellness, the restaurant promises to provide you with a fine dining experience worth remembering. The late Chef Benoit and his wife Brigitte Violier were the very first ones to have earned Michelin stars for this restaurant, which is now run by Chef Frank Giovannini. Masa, New York. The Japanese and sushi restaurant of Masa is located in Manhattan in New York City. Founded by Chef Masa Takayama back in 2004. This restaurant offers you with an impressive dining experience that would cost you approximately $595. This does not include beverages and taxes and only lasts approximately 2 hours. Reservations are accepted only 3 weeks prior to dining, and the menu that the guests are then offered with are prepared by Chef Masa himself. Masa is just one of the 2 sushi restaurants located in North America that features a sushi bar that is made of a solid piece of hinoka wood from Japan, costing almost $260,000. The service that is rendered by the professionals at Masa reflects the Japanese custom, as the guests are offered with absolutely exceptional hospitality, which is an integral part of the dining experience. Per se, New York. A renowned restaurant by chef Thomas Keller, Per se was opened back in 2004 in New York. It happens to be the chef's second 3 Michelin-starred property and also features his daily 9-course tasting menu and even has a 9-course vegetarian tasting menu that incorporates all the classic French techniques and the finest of ingredients. A meal here would cost around $685, and the restaurant